say about the computer?
I can say about the computer is about learning about the computer fundamentals can be overwhelming with so much information available in writing this workbook. It's also important to update the information in the computer. And some internet technology computer are invented and already are educational system. Thus it has proved to very helpful to our learners learning in securing a better job in maritime and shipping companies, and also using computers and the respective company. And that's all I say.
Bunggalon. Unsa may kastorya nimo sa computer?
Sandali lang hindi kasi ko masyadong marunong mag-Bisaya, kaya tatagalogin ko na lang. Masasabi ko lang sa ang computer ay marami talagang laro sa computer, pero ang nagustuhan ko lang is NBA Live na magamit ko ang mga character na sila Kobe Bryant, Steve Nash, dahil sa computer ang mga sikat na player ay makontrol ko, at dahil doon maraming gumagamit sa mga larong NBA. Tsaka meron nga pala akong masasabi, ang computer advantage siya kaysa sa iba, kasi dahil sa computer makakonekta sa iba na tao or something na.
Unsa may disadvantage pud sa computer? Unsa kay istorya nimo?
Daily advantage ipusanay.
Unsa may advantage ay disadvantage sa computer? Unsa kay ingon nimo?
Ang para sa akin hindi lang disadvantage para sa computer. Ang computer kasi kung palagi kang gumagamit niyan, pwede mo mapabayaan yung trabaho mo or yung pag-aaral
At sarili mo.
Sarili. Yan. Dahil doon parang masisira yung buhay mo.
Computers are daily need to our life, and they can help us.
Not number 1?
It's number 1 to all world. It's use the computer. They're used for daily life.
At ito sa gawas na ta kay
At sa computer.
Computer ta kay
Magduha dito kay
magduha jud ko kay
naman.
akon giduha na wala pa siya na max level.
Ako magduha kog duta kay may makigugot bakit? Pan ko ni God si never surrender for more.
This is MATC school.
It's beautiful, you know.
It's a very large and
Wonderful school.
yeah, that's true.
This is
Nev,
the practice of marine engineering.
This is a project of the Maritime Education and Learning Center.